considering a new Ford Expedition from Brighton Ford. The Expedition offers room for up to 8 passengers plus their cargo and excellent tow capacity. It earned a 5-star crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, with several driver's assistance safety features available. All vehicle pricing is shown with AZ pricing. Not all buyers will qualify for all discount/rebate/pricing plans shown. Please see dealer for complete details and to find out what pricing you qualified for. Brighton Ford is conveniently located off of Grand River Road in Brighton, Michigan. Brighton Ford is near the intersection of I-96 and US 23 in Brighton, Michigan. We have the largest selection of used trucks, used cars and used SUVs with over 200 pre-owned vehicles in stock. Brighton Ford serves all nearby cities including South Leon, Howell, Fenton, New Hudson, Novi, Ann Arbor, Whitmore Lake, Lansing, Detroit, Toledo, and Flint.